Are you excited for your first cappuccino?
Yes.
Okay, while she's having a cappuccino, we are going to open a package. Because 2 weeks ago I ordered a sewage camera. But it arrived, so we can open it. We'll first open it so we can charge it. In the meantime, we will unload the little trailer that we have, because today it's not such, well, it's super nice temperature, but the weather is a little bit overcast and it might rain maybe later, so we'll see. With this camera, we'll be able to see if there are any damages in the sewage system, and if so, where they are, and how. Then later on we can think about how to repair them. So apparently there's this kitten that escaped from the nest that they were in, and now we're somewhere here at our front door. Okay, so there's 5?
Yes, 5.
Alright, after that catty intermezzo, back to this boy. So with almost all the things that we have here in the villa, we try to use second-hand things. So basically everything, apart from I think a few tools, are second-hand. Like basically everything. Also this kitchen island. I have 2 more things to do today. Well, one for sure. So I'm gonna open the sewer camera and see what it's like. Let's figure out how it works and then see if we can figure out how the hell this whole system is interconnected. And we should be able to power it on. That's on. And there is even I'm gonna start here because we took off the toilet last time. Okay. Oh, okay. We speculated, me and my dad, that it would go directly to the river, like directly, just not even to the little canal, just go straight to the river, under the road, under everyone's house, straight to the river.
But now...
If that is the case, that would be... Yeah, definitely best to the right, right?
Yeah.
How? What the fuck?
There's something. What's that?
Left, 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 left.
No. Yeah? Yeah?
That definitely did not work out as expected. But you could see the little split from this side connecting to the sewer here, but then it seemed like it was going just straight. So now I want to see if the kitchen, because we have another sewage point in the system here, I want to see where that ends up. Quick question for all my electricians out there. I just put in this LED light bulb here, but it started flashing, which is weird because the power was off. But now I see this one, which is not an LED, and you can see it flashing as well. I mean, to be fair, they don't look great, right? They look like absolute shit. I put it in there, which is on its own switch. And if I switch it off, it starts flashing. And if I switch it on, it's on. So on is on and off is flashing. It's disconnected, but now that one has enough power to start flashing.
Ja.
Zie je het putje?
Ja. Oké, dus je zit nu hier.
Ja, een beetje die kant op. If I'm right, then Lyanne can see my flashlight at the end of this tunnel. Can you see this?
No.
Okay. Bummer.
Is it over the cord?
No. I really hope we can go right. New idea. What if we throw water in there? If I throw water in here, you'll be able to see it here. If not, then we're sure, probably. Unfortunately, we did not find anything. All in all, I was expecting the whole situation to be clarified with this camera, but it only made things, well, not worse, but like more vague than it already was. So then tomorrow we'll insert the camera into the other big pipe. Maybe tonight we'll get down. We'll probably do that tomorrow. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. And where's Lyanne? Oh, there she is. We will see you in the next one. Ciao.